Okay, this is the Sharp 16 by 40 engine lathe here at Hildebrand Machinery. We're plugged in to 440 volts, so the machine's wired 440 volt. We'll do a little video here, show you some movements. First off, there's digital readout. That's the cross slide. And then carriage. Working there. You can see the taper attachment under the guard they put on the back there. The bar and the clamp are there. Steady rest. Cross slide. Or compound, I mean, sorry. Thread chasing dial. Screws here. The screw in the feed shafts. View from the back end. The work light doesn't work. I think it needs a bulb. We'll make sure the work light works before it leaves here. Down here in the chip pan, there's a follower rest. Looks like there's a bushing, probably for the headstock. No other tooling there. Shot of your headstock end. Okay, start down the slowest speed, just work your way through. We're engaging. Just had the half pump. So there's cross feed. Go switch it. There's longitudinal feed. Half ton engagement. We're not going to run through all the feeds in the video, but we have run through all the feeds and everything is completely functional. I think the headstock sounds very good. Just in the higher range, looks like there's one gear that just sounds a little different, but that's not a function of anything wrong. That's just simply how that gear sounds. I think that is the overall picture of what you're looking at. So if there are any other questions, please feel free to ask.